Hey, Howard here at 82 Maple, and you've heard me say it numerous times before. We just love repurposing stuff that would otherwise be going to the burn pile or going to the dump. Well, what do you notice that's different about the log pile today? Yeah, and we've got more where this came from. Poplar, aspen, or what I call just a plain old weed tree. You got to stay tuned for this. This is going to be too much fun. Hey, watch this move. I think she's gonna slide that down the hill to where she can pick it up. Tip the forks or it's gonna fall off. Hey, you're doing it. Yeah, now you can pick it up. Nicely done, Coral Dawn. Hey, that gets a big thumbs up. Making a loader operator out of her yet.
Like and subscribe.
Well, here we are. This is where we ended up with what I call weed trees. Poplars, aspens, yeah. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? So we took the top layer off so that these can actually be little seating benches, kneeling benches, whatever. And so Kenton, our resident permaculture expert, created all of this. So took some blocks and put them up here, but then there were some rotten blocks and that were very, very hollow. Look at that. And planted these wonderful, wonderful flowers. And so these are strawberry beds. Hey, there's Kenton appearing just in time. Kenton, tell us about what you did here and
what we did. It was awesome having your mill around to be able to make this. This is gorgeous.
Oh yeah, but you had the plan, the vision, all of that and more.
So yeah, I guess to start off, terracing is I guess what the main inspiration was behind it. Is this is a fairly steep hillside, so how do we make good use of a steep slope? It was fairly sun-baked. There wasn't a lot growing here. So when they were dropping trees, we were like, well, why not we put those to good use? We can put them here in a nice staggered pattern so you can have a walkway that you can also sit on, you can do your weeding from, and it creates these more level surfaces that you can then plant out. So with having some coconut core around and the logs, and then going through Facebook Marketplace to get the free strawberries, this has been a crazy project in terms of it looking really good on a really low budget.
Well, and what about the proximity to, I'm using the wrong term, to the sun and the light that this is going to get during the day?
Yeah, well, the locationing here in terms of trying to get a good sun, we've got the tiny house well positioned for the solar panels.
Right.
So we know that this is, that same kind of solar aspect. It's kind of southwest, and that's why it gets so hot and dry here. It's not the best for, something that's going to need a lot of watering. But when you do a kind of a deep mulch like this, that allows that water conservation.
Yeah, that looks amazing. And again, I just think it was, terrific how you cut these and just position them. And wow, talk about making use of everything.
Yeah, I actually, I want to say thank you guys for that, in terms of having the trees on the property, having the mill, having all the things, and making best use of what we do have. I do love as well that when we started cutting them open, we found these hollow ones. We were like, well, what are we going to use those for? Well, they'll make great planters. And then also when you go to top these to get that nice walking surface for a pathway, we use that for, making a nice face on the compost. So I think this relates really well to, permaculture, which is what I teach and I just am so passionate about, is everything has a use. Everything can be used and reused, and it's all about creativity.
Totally.
And understanding, needs and yields. What do you need? How could something else arrive to meet that need?
Exactly. Why would we waste this? And far from wasting it, you've optimized it. What a great end result. And more to come here at 82 Maple. Well, here we are at 82 Maple, and this is this winter's bacon. Okay, kids, this is where bacon comes from.
Scare all the kids.
This is just too much fun, right? So what are you finding down there, guys? That's a massive hole. We could get food up here, but no.
They got buried down there that they really want.
You're really going for it.
Pull that down.
Everybody's come to see what's going on.
He's chomping on something. He's getting something because you can hear it crunch.